How to fix iPad black screen of death. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So firstly, you want to clear the charging bottleneck. Before forcing a system reboot, ensure dirty hardware or weak power adapters aren't blocking your current flow. So check your USB-C area for your charging port and check that there's no hidden debris inside. If there is, try and clean it out and scrape out the lint or dust packed inside. Now, unplug from any weak computer USB port or a old iPhone brick. You want to connect directly to a 20-watt plus wall charger using the original iPad cable that you got. Now what you're going to do is leave the iPad untouched for 30 minutes. And if the battery dropped below critical voltage, it needs time before iPad OS can initiate boot up. Now, you want to unfreeze the hardware. If the iPad remains pitch black or stuck on the red battery icon after 30 minutes, you got to force a hardware reboot. So what you're going to do is press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button, then press and hold the top power button for about 15 seconds until the Apple logo appears, and then go ahead and release, and then you should be good to go.